Hey guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel, or welcome if you're new here. So I know I haven't posted in a while, and that's because I'm not fan page anymore, and I'm not really into fan page anymore. But I still have an account, but I'm not really like posting or anything. I can still post. I might not change this like channel into a personal account like lifestyle, because I know you guys not gonna like it, because on my recent video that I posted, I was saying I was gonna change probably my account. I only got 48 views, and that's because you guys did not like it. So I'm just gonna keep going how I was doing. Okay, so this is a video on how to do a summer coloring thing. So you're gonna go to TikTok and go to the search thing, and then just go search honey QR code 24 FPS or 4, and just take a screenshot. Okay guys, so the ones I'm looking for is not really showing. Okay, so this is one, and you don't have to do it cropped. You can just do it so. Okay, so you're gonna get a video, and I'm just gonna scroll my For You page and find someone. Okay, so I can't find someone, so what I do is search Blake Gray. I go to where his girlfriend is, and I go to her account and get something. Okay, so once it's saved, you're gonna go to, I don't have 24 FPS, so I need to download it. Also, don't mind my iOS 14 screen. I didn't know what to do with it, so I just kind of added some random things for kind of summer thing. I'm gonna change it, obviously. I don't stay with this. I don't really like it. I like how I put the layout, but I don't really like the pictures and stuff. Yeah, so it's installing right now. Just wait. Okay, and now I'm gonna get press the plus button. You guys probably know how to do this because I actually posted videos. Okay, so this is how it looks so far, and then save as video. Oh wait, I need to take the watermark off. So yeah, after, I don't have another app. I don't want pre-count. After that, you're gonna go, well, yeah. We're just gonna finish the video to this because I'm not into fan page. As you know, I don't have any of the apps. I only have Bond. But yeah, that's a QR code that you can use for your coloring.